Guess where we are going? It's time for you guys to meet our Woodmizer band Sawmill. In the first video that really got popular that I posted in a response to Wrangler Star's video on the Lucas Sawmill, I told you guys that we have a Woodmizer band Sawmill, and now it's finally time for you guys to meet it. Very nasty weather. I hate these winters when it just gets cold, mild, and it's not nice in any way out here. You see, we had really nice temperatures below freezing and snow, and now it's all icy and melty, but we'll have to deal with that. I hope you will enjoy this video. So the sawmill that we have is the Woodmizer LT40. It's diesel driven, has a Kubota engine with 42 horsepower, and Woodmizer claims that this is the world's most popular sawmill, and it for sure has served us really well. Okay guys, so today we want to mill a couple boards that are already cut. Often we mill them oversized, and then before we put them through the planer, we just straighten them out on the band sawmill. And this is going to be for my dad's tiny house project. As you remember, There are 2 trailers that they tore down, and they want to build tiny houses on there. And we're gonna, just to demonstrate the saw for you, while my dad is doing this, gonna mill these 2 whatever. I don't even know what it is gonna be yet, but it's gonna be fun. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. That's it for today. This is just a basic video of our saw that I've promised you a few months ago that I would show you. We're gonna be doing a lot more milling. As you see, we mill a lot of lumber on this farm. Thank you, and thanks to my dad again. Bye. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.